Hi everyone, welcome to the quick install guide for the VPCam Builder regular one. Once you have bought your plugin, you can go to the My Account section of the RoboScripts site. Then you can download the different version of the plugin here and create your license key. Once you download one of these scripts, depending on PH version you have, don't forget to unzip it, since inside of it you have the plugin and the theme. Once it's done, you're gonna come here, you're gonna log into your VP dashboard, come to plugin, add new, upload plugin, choose file, and you're gonna install it. Or just upload it. Once it's uploaded, you can either come here and activate it. For the theme, you're gonna go to Appearance, Theme, Add New, Upload theme. You're gonna do the same thing, choose the file, install it. Oops. So you can also activate it from your theme panel right here. Okay, now the first step is the license. Grab my license. Then I'm going to click Select Campsite. I'm going to go with, say, with Chaturbate. Then I'm going to go in Main Settings, enter my affiliate ID, decide to send to Chaturbate, rev share, choose the slug name, LiveCam. Okay. I'll quickly do the setting here, but you have access to a second video that will explain every single option the plugin has. Then I'm going to go to Start and Stop. I'm going to start the aggregate. That's the script that fetches the models. Then I'm going to go to cron jobs. And I'm going to add the cron job to my server, which is a direct admin panel. So this one has to run every 5 minutes. Every 5 minutes. I'm gonna add the one for Twitter too. That needs to run every 10 minutes. Okay, you can see them here. Once they run, you'll be able to see the size of the cron log that changes. And you have two sections there, how to install it to LiveJasmin, which is the panel I just used. How to install cron job with cPanel, which is the most common server panel there's on the market. And if you don't have a server panel, you can always use one of these two free online cron job services. So that's it for the install. Not more complicated than that. And I wish you a good day. Bye.